In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up CoinStats account. By the end, you'll be signed in and ready to explore your portfolio from one clean dashboard. I'll walk you through the exact flow using a Google account, keeping it simple and secure. Start by opening your browser and searching for CoinStats. In the results, look for the official site with the domain CoinStats app. This matters because crypto-related tools can have lookalike sites. Always double check the URL before you click. Go ahead and open the official CoinStats homepage. On the homepage, find and click the Get Started button. This brings up the sign up options. You'll see several ways to create an account, and in this walkthrough, we're using Gmail, which means signing in with your Google account. Click the Gmail option to continue. You'll be taken to Google's account chooser. Select the Google account you want to use. If you're not already signed in on your browser, Google may ask you to enter your credentials. Only do this directly on Google's secure page. Never share passwords in chats, forums, or pop-ups that don't come from Google. After selecting your account, you'll see a confirmation screen explaining what CoinStats is requesting, typically your basic profile and email address so your account can be created. Click Continue to grant access and return to CoinStats. Next, you may be asked to solve a quick puzzle or CAPTCHA. This is normal and helps prevent automated signups. Follow the prompt, whether it's dragging a slider or selecting images, and complete the verification. If it doesn't pass on the first try, just retry until you see the success check. Once that's done, you'll land back on CoinStats and you're signed in. You should now see your dashboard or a welcome screen confirming your account is active through your Google login. From here, you can begin exploring features, but for now, you've completed the sign up successfully. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. Consider bookmarking coinstats.app so you always return to the correct site. If you're on a shared device, remember to sign out when you're finished. And if security is important to you, look for account protection options and settings later on, such as adding extra verification. That's it. You searched for CoinStats, opened the official site, clicked Get Started, chose Gmail, confirmed with Google, solved the verification puzzle, and you're in. Thanks for watching and enjoy getting started with CoinStats.